Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can create trendy videos just like these ones completely for free using the popular tool Kling AI. Let's get started. Before we jump in, if you haven't seen our previous video on how to sign up and use Kling AI from scratch, be sure to check it out. Just search for how to access Kling AI in my channel and you'll find it. It's packed with all the details you need to get started. I want to create a video of Spider-Man and Snow White hugging each other. I will use Canva to merge them into the same picture. Once you've logged into Kling AI, the first step is to switch to the image to video mode. You'll need to upload the images you want to use. For example, a photo of Spider-Man and Snow White. Or you could use image of Mona Lisa or any other concept you like. Then enter the prompt. Click Generate. Let's say we want Mona Lisa eating an ice cream. Upload the image, then type in a prompt describing what you want, like, she is eating an ice cream. You don't need to be overly detailed. Keep it simple like this. One thing to note is that AI tools like Kling AI aren't always perfect on the first try. You might need to tweak your prompts or generate the video a few times to get the exact result you want. For instance, if your first prompt doesn't give you the desired outcome, just try a different one or adjust the wording. Let's try another example. I want they to kiss each other. I'll write a simple prompt like, they are kissing each other, and hit generate. Let's see what we get.